Hi everyone, here we've got ULEFONE Note 8P and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So first of all, let's obviously open the browser and now let's tap on this three-dot icon in the right upper corner. Now let's enter the history, and as you can see here we've got the list of previously visited websites. Of course you can remove them one by one manually just by tapping on this X button right here, but if you'd like to remove all of them, just tap on clear browsing data, and here you've got some basic and advanced options. In basics you've got browsing history, cookies and site data, and cached images and files, and in advanced you've got also saved passwords, autofill from data, and site settings. Of course you can change the time range from last hour to, for example, last 7 days. If you want to remove something, just make sure it is marked, so I will mark everything and just tap on clear data. And as you can see, we just got back to the history, which is right now empty, so it means that we just successfully removed actually everything from it. So actually this is it. This is how to clear the browser in your ULEFONE Note 8P. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.